Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing 3 data analytics tool, Knime, Alteryx, and Orange. We've tested each and here's how they stack up. Knime's pros: free, open source, and powerful for machine learning workflows. It integrates easily with Python and R. Cons: it's not as user-friendly for complete beginners. Alteryx pros: incredible for business users with drag-and-drop simplicity, plus enterprise-level support. Cons: it's very expensive, putting it out of reach for hobbyists. Orange pros: great for education, simple visualization, and quick data exploration. Cons: limited scalability and less suited for massive datasets. So, which is ultimate? If budget isn't an issue, Alteryx is unbeatable for enterprise. Knime is the best for balance of power and cost. And Orange is the easiest entry point for learning. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.